Good morning. We have a new day on the messenger, and today our American friends are leaving. They prepared for a trip from 60 days from here, this place, all the way through the Mediterranean, across the Atlantic to America. I joined them for some last groceries in the supermarket. Good morning. You join us.
Oh yeah.
That's nice. I won't ask more questions. We are at our favorite supermarket again, and he's a really nice guy that is doing the cash. Ismail, Habibi.
Unplanned? Unplanned, yeah.
Skittles,
Yeah, we don't need any more
gummy
groceries.
bears, cheese.
Yeah,
Say hello to your wife. She's watching, right?
Yes. Hello.
What's her name?
Steph, girlfriends.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Malek.
And one of the things that you have to do is you have to protect your eyes from UV rays. So as you can see, crew of SV Spec taking this very seriously.
Yeah, 60 days on the sea. You have to prepare, right?
You have to prepare. This is preparation. This is what it's all about. There's no joking around.
Baby, Habibi.
How are you? Good.
كله تمام.
Mia.
Bye bye. We are back at the messenger. Hello, Marjolein.
Hey,
Hello.
how was it?
Yeah, good. It was nice.
Did you get bread?
Yep, I got it. Have you got news?
Yeah. You're going to get a haircut. Yes, we are on 26 now.
Oi. So, where did you earn the trust?
I don't know.
Or maybe the people just don't care, do they?
I think they think I'm a very trustworthy person.
It must be. When is the haircut happening?
Not today anymore, I think.
No?
No, because it's already afternoon and the Americans are almost leaving, so we want to film that as well.
Yeah, that's true.
So hopefully tomorrow.
There they go.
You get it, bring it to the back.
Finally.
Have a safe journey. So the Americans left, and it was really nice to have them as our neighbors, friendly people. Now Han left, and Byron, Dan and Josh left. And who's next? Peace out.